So today we'll be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? These are the two most important situations right now in the whole of the crypto market, and we need to take some actions about them. Okay, so currently Bitcoin is falling like like a falling knife, and it's falling from 99.6k, and it has dumped around, I guess, this percentage is around, I guess, 8%. Okay, so this is 8%. And in the last video I actually mentioned about two important things. Okay, I told you that in the 4-hour time frame, the 100 EMA as well as the 200 EMA are important areas for price to hold. So you can see that in the last time, the last time when we pumped from 68k, these all three EMAs actually give support to the price. And here also you can see that the 100 EMA gave support to the price in 4-hour time frame, and currently the 100 EMA is around sitting around $91,000. Okay, so the next important EMA, that is the 200 EMA, is sitting at around 84,257. That is another thing to see. If we lose this level, then we can surely come to this level around here, so we might need to take actions according to that plan. Okay, so what we need to see is that this pump over here was a very clear cut fake pump, and the price of the Bitcoin fell down rapidly after that. And you can see, one thing that I see clearly is that the 4-hour time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, the RSI is actually oversold right now. Since this day, you can see in on 21 November, we can see that the price made a top, and the RSI also made a top with a clear cut bearish divergence in action. And I actually mentioned in the last Bitcoin video also. So this whatever this is happening, this is actually a very failure pattern. This high was set, then the price actually failed to take that high, and it actually fell down. Okay, so in the first red candle, you could have entered in a short position, and that short position could have made you a good amount of money. Okay, so from 95k to 91.7k, this is a good move in a short trade. But if you are shorting right now, be very careful, because the RSI in the 4-hour time frame is actually near the bottom, and the selling volume is actually declining in the past 3 candles. Okay, so what might happen in this situation over here? The most important thing that you need to look at is that horizontal line support, or you can call it a rectangular support. This actually is a very clear cut support zone. Okay, so this is a very clear cut support zone, and in the middle of this zone is around, I guess, if we take this low and this high over here, we are actually sitting at around 50% to golden pocket area. So this is actually a very good area. If you want to long Bitcoin, if you want to buy Bitcoin, these areas are very important. So let me just tell you, this was the low, this was a higher of 99.6k, and this is the golden pocket area. So let me draw that area for you. This is the actual area that I would be betting on to make long positions in my Bitcoin. But what I need to make sure is that the important thing is that I need to make sure that Bitcoin is actually holding this area, or giving me a sustainable candle, or giving me a good bullish candle, or a hammer, or a doji kind of setup, and then I will be longing Bitcoin over here. And in the 4-hour time frame, this looks like a clear cut bullish setup for me, and my minimum target would be 95.8k, then the high of 99.5k, and then 100k finally. So this will be the scenario for the long position, as well as for the short position. Why I'm bullish over here in this region over here, 90k to 92k. Why I'm bullish? I am actually seeing a lot of liquidity around 99.3k, and then you can see actually the liquidity is also sitting at around 95.6k something, and we are actually very near to the liquidity of lower side, and we can see 91.6k was just taken out, and the next level of liquidity is actually upwards around 95.7k. So what I expect is that Bitcoin tries to consolidate here, or tries to stay here for some time, and then gives a clear cut pump, and that pump could be this high over here, 95.5k, which also aligns with my liquidity zone. In the coin glass data, we can actually mark that level, and we can actually sell there. Okay, accordingly. Okay, after that, what next we can do is, next is important to see is that is Ethereum actually. Okay, so if we take this low over here, this Ethereum low over here, this is actually $3,000, and then the highest point here around 3547, we can see that Ethereum is actually holding very well against Bitcoin, and we can see that it actually gave a wick around 3256, but it is trying to sustain above the 0.5 level. You can see that this is the 0.5 level, and if this level is held, because this was the support zone, this is actually a support zone, and this might be a very clear cut swing, or we can say that liquidity taken and reclaim method. This could be a long opportunity. If Ethereum tries to hold 3300 now, we can actually take targets of Ethereum around 3374, 3446, and the final target would be 3541. I'm actually targeting a long in Ethereum, which would be my swing long, and my targets would be 3800 to $4000 and $5000. So this is what I think of the market right now. This is what my viewpoint on the market is. We can actually see that the BTC dominance is also declining in value, giving signals that we might be near a all season rally. Okay, so an all season rally is very inevitable in the market right now, and we can see that this is what happened. You can see that 59.17 to 58.8%, the dominance just fell down, and this clearly indicates that Ethereum is taking over the whole market. Okay, so that is what I am preparing you guys for. If you guys haven't joined my Telegram, make sure you join the Telegram by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you join the community, and just share to this video to your friends and family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be safe.